just a quick install video. So this is the Scrub Kings fire extinguisher bracket. This one mounts to the front of the passenger seat, and then you can mount a 1 kilo fire extinguisher which actually comes with the kit. So both of these together I got for $70 delivered. So Scrub King's an Aussie brand. I found them a little while ago when I was looking for an isolator switch bracket for my winch. Made my own, wasn't overly happy with it, went looking for something a bit better, found these guys and they make some really handy kit. All Aussie owned and made, which is fantastic. If you're like me, you go camping a bit, you do your own 12 volt stuff, fire extinguisher is really handy to have. So I'll show you how to mount this one in the car and just how quick and easy it is.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.